Yo, what's good, guys? Hope you're doing well. As every day, let's do the daily bias. But I'm not gonna lie, it's not the best price action today. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looks like Wednesday reversed. So we can expect that Friday will go lower. Looking at daily profiles, right now price is respecting this volume imbalance here. We also respected this wick. So I think that I would be more looking for lower prices to next week start with higher prices, to take this bust liquidity. Well, let's jump in. Like on daily, I'm not sure. Let's jump into 4 hour. Uh, yeah, that's how 4 hour looks. Right now, price disrespected this FVG. From 6 p.m. price was moving higher. There is a really small wick on the daily, which especially on ES, which I don't really like. There is SMT. There is SMT on 4 hour right now. Price is reacting nicely. 1 hour. There is this devil mark on NQ. There is this SMT I mentioned. And there are those equal highs. So this is my first objective right now for price. Actually, let's let it like that. On this move lower, there was no FUGs. Those equal highs here is potentially this high here. Yeah, like this SMT here holding price. There is this devil mark, but I want to see how price will close. 15 minute. Yeah, on 15 minute there is this clear accumulation here, manipulation SMT, and those highs, especially those equal highs here. London was, let's actually see what London did. Like London did nothing, so I don't expect London to be the high of the session, like the high of the day. That's the first thing. Right now I will be looking for higher prices, especially how I said this equal highs. We will see if there creates some SMT, if price creates some SMT here, I don't know. On a 5 minute right now there is this breaker, 830 manipulated. 830 manipulated is something. Yeah, 830 manipulated into this volume imbalance. So that's actually interesting. 4 hour. Yeah, 830 manipulated into volume imbalance. We have those equal highs above. So yeah, I will be looking for higher prices. I will be looking for, if 830 manipulated London, we don't expect London to be high of the session. I will be looking for 930 to open, make a low, high, and looking for high to be around 10. That's what I will be looking for right now. So looking for higher prices, looking for 10 to be, looking for high to be good after 10, and yeah, see you after the session.
Isaac, what the fuck?
we are after the session. We are back on fucking all-time highs in our demo account, right? So, one trade today, great win. We are back at all-time highs. So, like, I'm ending the week same as week before. And yeah, let's analyze what happened. Like today we are going deep, bro, into it. Like today was a lot of shit that actually we need to talk about. So let's start on daily. How always, daily, our favorite chart, right? Wait, let me actually clear a bit. Sorry, bro, for wasting your time, but again, I'm not fucking prepared. That's fucking okay. Yeah, actually, I will cut this and I will come back in a minute. Yo, I'm back. It took me like 30 minutes to clean this chart up. No, I'm joking. Okay. So, let's start on daily, how always. Daily. So, before the session, in the videos, like in the before the session bias video, I told you that I'm not sure if it's going to like I was saying that it looks like Wednesday reversal, you know, or something like that. That I'm not sure or about the daily bias, like about the bias on the daily. But there was one thing that I forgot to say that I didn't see it. So is that there was this SMT, you know, and there was also SMT at highs, right? So someone could say that, you know, bro, like this is Wednesday reversal. We have SMT at highs, SMT at highs, yeah, that's all, and we can come back, you know, lower. But no, bro, because there was another SMT at the lows, and there was also nice reaction. So it wouldn't be a proper Wednesday reversal. It wouldn't be a high quality Wednesday reversal. Another thing, seeing that there is this fucking SMT here, and seeing this reaction off of the equilibrium of this week, price engineered even more buy side liquidity here. Why? Because retails was looking on this as a support and resistance, you know. So there was even more buy side liquidity resting above here than it was before, you know. And seeing that there is SMT, it was a great confirmation that previous day low won't be taken, right? So right now we know that the daily bias was bullish. Like also I told you that, like, just looking on lower time frames, I told you that the bias will be bullish, but I wasn't expecting that we will take buy side liquidity. But right now, seeing those two things, that there is this SMT, so it can be Wednesday reversal. So it's like, you don't look at profiles when something like that happens. It's just fucked up, you know. But seeing that there is SMT, that's the first thing that it's not going to be Wednesday reversal. And also it's showing us that this SMT here doesn't have power, you know. So that's the first thing. That's the first thing. And also that's the first thing. And I also like to use like retail's concepts to use them as a contrary, like, you know, like for example, if they see a support here, I'm looking as this as a extra confluence for me, that there will be much more buy side liquidity than when it wouldn't be a support, you know. Okay, so we know that the daily bias is bullish, and seeing this huge SMT, we know that previous daily low won't be taken. So what we are looking for, previous daily high. What is above previous daily high? There is this buy side liquidity, all-time high. There is a lot of buy side liquidity, which price is seeking to take, right? Okay, 4 hour. So we have daily, 4 hour. There is also one fucking important thing that I need to say. So this red line here is a wick of this 4 hour FUG. Just that I'm telling you to just be aware. Okay, so right now we know that previous daily low will not be taken, right? We are looking for confluences for price to go higher. What we see, so we have daily SMT. Right now we have a directional SMT, so it's like an SMT on the 4 hour, so it's directional SMT. Also, what's interesting is that there was like, because I have a problem to like I want to speak about those topics that it's all in proper line, you know. I don't want to like, how to say, I want to just be, I just want to make my make my like make everything organized here, but it can be sometimes hard. So that's why sometimes I will be jumping between the subject, you know. But right now, seeing that there is SMT, and also this SMT was created below the 6 p.m. wick. What does it mean? That 9:30, like this is 9:30, but 9:30 manipulated below this 6 p.m. wick, and on lower time frames, how I said you, we had still buy sell liquidity. What does it mean? That price is going even lower to drop retails, like also on lower time frame. I'm just telling to like remember there is also a nice market maker buy model, and this move lower was actually a soup into the 50% of the range. That's really crazy thing, you know. So yeah, so there was SMT into this 6 p.m. open, so 9:30 manipulated below this, and we still had buy sell liquidity on the lower time frames. What does it mean? That 9:30 is a protected low of the day. It's not protected low of the session, it's protected low of the day. Why? Because it's a huge, like, if we still had a lot of buy sell liquidity here and 9:30 is manipulating below the 6 p.m. open, so actually it is becoming the wick of the day. It's really, it's like showing it, it's showing that this will be the protected low. I can't understand it better than saying what I just said. Okay, so yeah, SMT, there was also this 4-hour volume imbalance, but this 4-hour volume imbalance was just a new daily opening up. I'm more looking about on this 6 p.m. open. Okay, also, like, price was disrespecting this FVG. This was also the last line of defense that price could actually reject from. Wait, let me actually take a sip. Yeah, and actually seeing all of the shit that I just showed you, right now we are looking for previous daily high. Another thing, what right now we are combining it with the profiles. What London did. This is the candle from wait. This is the candle from to 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. This is the candle from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. Look what London did. You don't even need to like jump to the lower tower to see it. We didn't manipulate above the Asia high. So is it the right high to be the high of the day? No, it isn't. So you see that there is another confluence that London is not going to be the high of the session. What does it mean? That we are going to run this shit out. Okay, so it's another confluence without dropping to the lower time frames, you know. Let's drop into 1 hour. So 1 hour. Yeah, and on 1 hour I want to show you this shit. So we had those equal highs. Those were our first liquidities pools, right? What was our another big liquidity pool? Bro, I will need sometimes to take a break because like I'm not recording a lot of videos. That's why when I'm talking a lot, I just need to take one more breath, you know, take a pause. Okay, so this was our first pulse, you know, with liquidity, with buy sell liquidity. What was next? This 8:30 drop, you know, like, bro, this drop lower engineered a lot of buy sell liquidity here, like huge amounts of buy sell liquidity. Why? Because people think this drop lower, they are thinking that right now we are bearish. What? And also a great confluence for this was this SMT here. So now, even if it's a retail who use a more advanced concepts like SMT, then it's looking at this as and it's saying, wow, bro, boom. And on this breakout, they are selling and they are putting their stop loss here. So it was a huge pool of liquidity. Also on lower time frame, it was a consolidation here with equal highs. So it's not random, you know. Yeah, that's the first thing. Also, we had a lot of buy side liquidity, and also it was time-based liquidities. It was like random highs or lows. Sorry, brother. Old London high, previous daily high, same things on ES, and also knowing that we have this 8:30, knowing like our bias is bullish, right? We see that we have this pulse here, and we see this the most important pull here, like the first most important pull after London high, Asia high, you know. What is next? So seeing that old London high is really close to it, it's like, it's how to say, it's like normal that price is going to run it too. Why? Because it's close to 8:30 accumulation highs. Another thing, previous daily high, it's so close to old London high, so it's also aligning with the nature to run all the fucking buy sell liquidity, and like combining, and like I just want to tell you that there was such amount of buy sell liquidity, you know. And seeing this SMT here, we have like, it was a safe place, you know. It was like, it was the beach with I don't know, with, fuck, I am not good on jokes, but like, it was a protected low, you know. And seeing such amount of buy sell liquidity, you could just buy anywhere and have your stop loss. Let's say that you trade on 1 hour here, and that's all, you know. And TP on buy sell liquidity on all time highs, because it was all time high. So yeah, okay. So right now dropping on 15 minute. Another thing, like another, like, you know, you can break this shit you can break this shit down, you know, if you really want. Another thing, what the fuck is creating here? This was the consolidation. Like it isn't looking like that, you know. It isn't looking like, oh, like this shit here, but this is also accumulation. Look, accumulation here. We left equal highs here, you see. Boom, big drop, price engineered, more buy sell liquidity here, also here, also here, and also people who had stop loss here, they put it there, and then they put it there. So it was huge amount of liquidity here. Boom, even more generating buy sell liquidity. Retails are thinking right now that we are, how to say, we are going lower. And then look, accumulation here. It was accumulation. So what is after accumulation? Manipulation. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. There. And what was there? There was a micro accumulation, I would say. Like it wasn't really clear. Price dropped into the 50% of this range from here to here. So it was a turtle soup MMX. Boom, boom. So it was like a bigger MMX, and there was a lower time frame MMX, you know. You see on 5 minutes it's much more clear. But the most interesting thing about this equilibrium, like I will touch it in a minute. But let's see, this is from this high, you see, and price run it to the tick. This will be important about the time, because today I said that I'm expecting the 8:30 to be the low of the session, but thing that I didn't see was this: I didn't measure the equilibrium, and also I wasn't aware of this MMX. Like I was aware of 5 minute MMX here, but I wasn't really looking about this bigger MMX. Also, if you drop into 5 minute, it's much more clear. You see, accumulation, boom, manipulation, boom, 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 generating, like buying more. Smart money are buying more here, boom. Okay, 15 minutes, we did it. 5 minutes, yeah, and on 5 minutes. Also, another thing for our bullish, how to say, bullish bias. There was this lower time frame MMX. How I said, like London did manipulate, consolidation here, boom, manipulation, directional SMT combined with momentum SMT on 5 minutes. That's fucking all you need. I took a setup right here on this 5 minute inverted FEG on the 1 minute, and I was targeting Asia high, and that was all, because it was 2 hour. I don't need more, especially because I'm right now on trading on them. Okay, so we discussed what happened today, like generally, and right now let's drop into 1 minute to see all the fucking shit that happened today, right? Wait, 40 minutes. Let's see if I'm going to make it in 20. Okay. You know, I'm like feeling this video would be like 25 minutes. Okay. So I said that this, because there was SMT also. Let me actually show you. there was SMT on 8:30. There was the CSD, so I was looking that maybe price is going to, how to say, that this will be the low of the session and 9:30 will just open boom 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 higher. But what I missed was this equilibrium that price will probably drop. Why? Because this is the bigger time frame MMX and there was no soups, like no clear soup, you know. Yeah, like there was a one, but like combining all the fucking shit here, you could just drag the from here to the Asia high, and you will see that if we are such close to this equilibrium, probably price will want to come back to the discount to then deliver to the premium. Also, another thing was that this week, because right here, right here, price was really, wait, let me actually, I want to discuss every fucking shit clearly so you know what I'm talking about. This is the open, right? This was the week of the day. This was the week of the day. Right here, right? 8:30. So if you take a look, it was the week here. 8:30 went here and was really close to make the low of the day but failed to do so. And there was already a small wick. So that was also a confirmation that price, like being such a low here, price will manipulate also to the discount which was combined, like bro, discount of the range was combined with the open of the 6 p.m. bro. You want to tell me that's random? So that's the first thing. That was the thing that I didn't see, and that's why I said that 8:30 should be the low of the session, you know. But that's, you know, you can be wrong, but you need to learn from those mistakes, and you need to be aware, you know. So because of this shit, I wasn't buying on this breaker, you know. I was waiting for more confluences. Okay, then we went to the discount, boom boom boom. Right now this became a low of the day. So like that low of, like, once that become a low of the day and we had still a lot of buy sell liquidity here, I knew that this will be the low of the day. Also, there was a momentum SMT, so like there was this 5-minute SMT. Right time to put the low of the session, right time at right PDRA, everything is aligned. Yeah, I took the entry here. Let me actually, oh, you will see it in the video. Like I think that you will see it before this or after this. So I took the entry here on this breaker. Why I took it? Let's actually see it. 5-minute. There was this huge FVG. Boom. I was waiting until price closed above it. Boom. We closed above it. Inverted FVG. Inverted FVG. Let me actually inverted FVG. Inverted FVG. Boom, boom, boom. It was here. Oh no, I took the entry on the ES. Yeah. On ES, it was the same fucking thing. So, look, on 5-minute, price closed above this 5-minute inverted FVG. So I just dropped into the 1-minute. I bought on this breaker. Boom, boom, boom. I was targeting Asia high, 8:30 accumulation. No, I was targeting only Asia high, I think, yeah. Asia high. Wait, give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. So I was targeting Asia high here. That's because that was 2 hour, that's all I need. So 5-minute inverted FVG, right time to put the low of the session. Momentum SMT, everything I need. Also there was a 15-minute inverted FVG, I believe. Yeah, like once 9:30 to 9:45. You take a look. 9:45, 9:45, 9:45. It was here. This candle here created a 15-minute inverted FVG. Price went higher. Boom. Respected equilibrium. Boom. Went higher. Inverted FVG on 1 minute. You could just buy here. Like you could add to the position. Same thing on the NQ. Price 9:45 here. We close above this 15-minute inverted FVG. Boom, price made a huge drop lower. Also, why it was also, oh, there was also this 3-minute intermediate term, like there was everything. I just put my stop loss here below this 3-minute intermediate term low and I was protected. Wait, one more thing. Yeah, you could measure the standard deviations of it. They were perfectly aligned with this accumulation here. Sorry. And the 4 and 4.5 was perfectly aligned with previous daily high. Let me actually see on ES. Yeah, on ES it was really close to the buy sell liquidity all high, alt low high, alt low high. So yeah. Okay, next. So there was this entry, boom, 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 boom. Another thing, there was also a great important thing that happened is that we took London high. Look, this is the candle from 59 to 10. This candle opened at the 10. Look, we are fucking bullish, bro. We are fucking bullish. Still, we didn't take Asia high. If you take a look on ES, wait. Like on ES, we will like wait. Here. I'm interested more here. We barely take like Asia highs, but we still did. We failed to take 830 accumulation, which was the second most important role in liquidity after Asia high. So if you take a look, it was here. You see? So this setup was before ES took the 830 accumulation. So it was still low risk trade, you know, to take and have a short stop loss. And in a moment I will tell you why. So if you take a look, 10 opened, boom. What is that? This was the wick of the candle from 10 to 11. If you take a look on 1 hour, price close above this 1 hour order block. So this is also a great confluence. And this wick and those two bearish candle went to this 1 hour order block, and you could anticipate that this would be the wick of this candle. Why? Because we still had a lot of buy sell liquidity and our overall bias was bullish, so you could anticipate that this will be the wick of this candle. So you could adhere to your position, or you could just enter on this position, boom, order block. And also because this is the manipulate, like the wick creation of the 10 to the 11 candle, you can measure the standard deviations from it and it will act perfectly, you know. Here boom, here boom. Also they were aligned here, so yeah, interesting. So yeah, entry here. Let me actually see one thing. Because ES was yeah, I marked this FEG here because ES was, oh no, I marked this FEG because we were close to the Asia high, so you could add more on this position. It was here. Okay, so we took 830 high, we took old London high, we reached the standard deviations of this manipulation leg lower, also off of this, because on the ES there wasn't really a clear wick. On ES price just sorry bro, on ES price just wasn't really making the wicks, you know. It was just fucking going higher. So 15 minute, 1 minute. So you could measure you could only measure the standard deviations on NQ, and once price reached once price reached this buy sell liquidity, this became a discount, you know, like to deliver efficiently, price need to come back to the discount of this buying range to then continue higher if we want to continue higher. So that's what happened. Retracement into the standard deviations, and there was a fair value area. If you take a look, wait, it was on 1 hour I think, or on 15 minute, I don't know. Let me actually, no, on on 1 hour we were just expanding higher. On 15 minutes, yeah, there was this fair value area. If you take a look, this candle here closed how to say, close above this Asia high. There was a short-term SMT I think, but I'm not looking at this as something, you know, something big. Yeah, you see, once ES took the 830, wait, let me actually see one thing. Okay, there was a small SMT on the 830 accumulation, and there wasn't SMT on the 830 accumulation, but there was a small SMT between alt and high. So, but generally, after we took such a amount of buy sell liquidity, we can expect a comeback to premium. In this case, it would be fair value area. Why? Because there was a open space, you know, like there was our open space from here to here, like candle closed here, this was a fair value area, and we were anticipating that price at least will come back to the Asia high, to this block here, like let's say resistance, you know, like that's how it works. But it's not a resistance like retail resistance. So if you take a look here, there was a nice entry, like this would be a scalping entry, you know, like it's not my type of entry, but I'm analyzing every fucking thing that happened on the chart. That's why I'm marking it out, because it's interesting for me. So we still had this area where price didn't offer the sellers, like I can't explain why, because it is like that, but this fucking works. And I recommend you Ario. He's the go-to with fair value areas, and he can explain you why. But you see, we still left this unfair valued area here. So look, price created an FVG here, boom boom boom, targeting this. It would be like probably 1 hour. Yeah, good. Not my trade, but I just wanted to show you this. Okay, price created the high at 10:20, so it would be the right time to put the high. You could target 10:30 because we put the low at 9:32. So like to like look for perfection, you could target 10:30 as a time. And yeah, once price reached this fair value area on a 5 minute, there was a FVG. Wait, let me see on a 50 minute. It was here. Let me actually, because there also was a nice thing. So we went to this 5 minute FVG. Boom. Wait, give me a moment. I'm back. Okay, once price went to this 5 minute FVG and this candle closed, it was from 10:30 to 10:35. Right now, this, like at this time, this became an intermediate term low, right? So you can drop it to 1 minute, and you could buy. There was a nice inverted FVG that you could buy. And why you could buy on this inverted FVG? Because here, it was here, because we were close to the previous daily high. So this was still buy side liquidity that price was reaching for. We took this buy side liquidity here, price make a retracement into the short-term discount, because it wasn't like the, you know, like the equilibrium discount like 50%. It wasn't like that, but price delivered to the discount, right? So right now, if we are heavy bullish, then we will not come back into the 50%. We'll just come back to the short-term discount and boom, explode. That's what happened here. Price went back, price delivered into the fair value area, boom, inverted entry here. Also inverted entry was once we confirmed that this became a intermediate, that this had become a intermediate term low. So wait, give me a moment. Fuck. This had become a intermediate low, so also low risk entry. You could target this old daily FVG, which would be also a proper draw, because it's still something that price is reacting off of, okay? But general target would be this previous daily high. Boom, 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 boom. If you would take your profits here, it would be 1 hour. If you would keep your order, it would be probably stop loss, like, because probably if I had taken this, I would put the stop loss here. But there was a nice phenomenon, like there was the phenomenon that's, because of this phenomenon, it's showing why intermediate term lows, intermediate term highs, and things like that are so powerful. Look, because price went here, and what happened here is actually, wait, let me actually see. Like I don't know why price retraced here. You know, that's really important. That not the really fucking important for me, but this is like interesting. You know, let me actually see one thing. Like, yeah, there was this equilibrium of the 4 hour week, so this could be a discount, but like you don't need to look at every fucking discount and like expect things like that. But I just want to show you something. So once price closed here, wait, I remember that there was a 15-minute FVG below. 15-minute FVG below. If you like contrary trades, you could target this 50-minute FVG low. I wouldn't do it. Why? Because we still didn't take the previous daily high, which is my initial objective. I'm not going to look for contrary trades until, like, maybe if it's like, you know, some pips scalp, you know, but until we don't take the really important draws, I'm not looking for contrary trades, because that's price will hold the intermediate term lows, intermediate highs, and that's what happened here. Look, there was a 15-minute FEG below, and price just make a soup on this probably 15-second intermediate term in short-term low, and boom, reacted higher. So this was showing that we are still showing, like, this was a sign that we are still showing willingness to go higher. And also another thing on ES that's beautiful is that we still were respecting this breaker. So if you had taken the setup on the ES targeting previous daily high, it wouldn't be a loss. Probably stop loss here. I would personally have taken the setup on the ES because it was the stronger pair. It was the intermediate short-term low on 1 minute. Look what happened. If we are bullish, we are expecting turtle soup here. Look what happened. To the fucking tick. 1, 2, 3, 4, bro. Bro. Also respecting this intermediate low, bro. You could actually add to the position here once we disrespected 2-minute FEG. There was 2-minute FEG. Like there was a discussable price action, so also no FEGs here. Also here, no FEGs. It was showing the weakness, you know, to go lower. So yeah, boom. You could buy here, and you could like add more to the position to target previous daily high. On 5-minute, actually, on 5-minute there was this inverted FEG, price close above it. But let me see if it was. Yeah, it was here before we take previous daily high on ES. So you could, if you miss this entry, you could buy actually on NQ, knowing that ES will push price lower, probably for this buy side liquidity, because once we took this previous daily high, price, it's not going to just reverse, you know, it will at least go, and and I mark those red lines because those are important lines, because those are this 4-hour all-time high wick here, you see, 50%, 75%. Look, so once price, there was 50%. Once price closed above 50%, then you can expect 70%. So it was also a great confluence to like take this trade. And once price reached this level, you could like take your TP, or you could wait until ES reached the buy side liquidity. Wait. Oh yeah. Also, the one more thing about those standard deviations, which is really interesting, was that this is really important leg of the price action, you know, because this is the wick of 10 hour. This is potentially, we are anticipating that this is going to be the wick of 10 of the candle from 10 to 11. So this is actually really important. And look, you could target, once we close above this level, 5-minute FEG, you could just target this, you know, and that's what was hit perfectionly here. If you had taken the setup here, because there was also another nice setup. Bro, we are finally close to the end. Okay. Okay, there was another nice thing. I love it. Love it. On 15-minute price created FEG, because bro, we took a lot of I'm looking at this as a fuel for price to go higher, you know. So once we took a lot of buy side liquidity, then we are looking for price to come back to the discount, like how to say it, to like take some fuel to go higher, you know, if our bias is still aligning. And in this case, because we closed here, it was like 100% that price is going to run this buy side liquidity, because there was a lot of buy side liquidity. How I'm just saying this always, so I hope you remember it. What happened here? This is the 15-minute FEG. Actually, this 15-minute FEG was valid. Let me actually see at what time it was valid, because 4 minutes. Okay, it was valid at 11:30, right? 1 minute, 11:30. Look what happened before the setup, because this is actually where the magic starts, you know. What is here? It was like, it would be probably like a clear 50 second market maker buy model into the 15-minute FEG. We left above buy side liquidity. We still have these standard deviations. You could target previous daily high as a additional draw. We still had this buy side liquidity here, 15-minute FEG, consolidation before, bro, like everything. Bro, you could miss every setups here, and you could just enter here, make 2R, and you are done for the day. So that's what happened. consolidation, manipulation to the 15-minute FEG, boom, you could buy on this inverted entry. You could add more once price close above it. So like it wouldn't be that nice because it was after the 12. So because we were, wait, it was here. Because we are so close to the, oh actually probably would have taken the setup on ES because it was stronger pair. Let me actually see one thing. Not really. Okay, but probably would have taken the setup on ES, so this breaker. If you would have taken the setup on NQ, you would have missed it, or if you had keep your limits after 12, then I don't know, because I don't trade after 12. So yeah, but finally it would deliver here. Not really. Yeah, but once price takes like such a level, I don't fucking expect nothing. Like I'm good. You can still project the standard deviation because this is the important manipulation leg, and actually price reached those levels and then started going lower. But yeah, I would buy on this inverted FEG without like probably something like that. But like I will probably prefer to take, yeah, and I will start. Yeah, bro, all you fucking need. Three and a half hour is like 3,500 on the 1K account. So it's like in one trade you are making someone's people like 2 months salary. So yeah, so I think that's fucking all for today. I hope you like it, and yeah, see ya in Monday.